Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to learning top 5 AI tools for working professionals. So how super easily to increase our working area productivity. The output what we are going to doing in a smart way, how super easily we can do using this AI tools. The first one I would like to suggest to you Grammarly. Yes, beautifully, wherever you are working, irrespective of industry, you want to work with a computer system to add more and more productive information you want to share with your managers, team members, and many more. Yes, with respect to the documentation and many other things you have to share. So, Grammarly will help you greatly in adding your texting queries. It will correct it and super easily it will guide you to which is a correct sentence, a framing of sentence and information. So most beautifully you can collect it and work with this Grammarly. And the second one, Notion AI. So what is Notion AI? Very clearly you may check it. Task management, note taking, discussion scheduling, and how the productivity is going. Complete scheduling is highly possible with this Notion AI. So try with this. And the next one, ChatGPT. As you know that generative AI tools are most popular in the industry nowadays where the computer relevant or most relevant tasks. So using generative AI tools like ChatGPT to creating a content, to creating more affordable and designs, creative thoughts where you are going to be giving like a prompt engineering. So using generative AI tools like a ChatGPT will help you greatly in very less time. So the next one where we have to concentrate more. So here Jper AI, where the marketing teams are going to be collaborating. How the product to be in a vast sales you have to create. The funnel or making a social media marketing and promotions, how it is possible. This AI is a greatly supporting like creation, blogs, social media, emails, wherever you want to push to the world where you can acquire more sales. So Jper AI will helping in this scenario and the relevant industries. The next one, Otter AI. This is a transcribing the meetings, interviews, schedulings, and the similarly the keyword highlighting and conversations where you want to do with your teams and the collaborative stakeholders. So using like productivity automating is highly possible using these AI tools. Where the working environment you have to focus more and more, and where you have to work with a smart way using this AI driven, AI powered tools to helping greatly working professionals. So I strongly suggest you to apply this AI tools wherever it is applicable, relevant to your industry area where you are working more and more smart way. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.